Canadian Pacific Railway. Started in 1881, this railway runs approximately 12,500 miles, linking Canada from east to west, coast to coast. Kansas City Southern began in 1887. It runs from north to south through the United States over 3,984 miles, and in 1996 it went into Mexico as well. Canadian Pacific Kansas City, or CPKC, is a Class 1 railroad that is the first and at the moment only single-line railway that connects Canada, the United States, and Mexico. And it began on April 14th, 2023, about 1 year ago. To celebrate that anniversary, CPKC is having a Final Spike steam tour. When it was originally announced, there will be 11 public event stops along the tour, 2 in Canada, 7 in the United States, and 2 in Mexico. Join me as I try to catch up with the Empress on its 6th stop at Davenport, Iowa on May 10th, 2024. Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you'll get to see all the latest videos. Don't forget to push like and share. Thank you so much.